Here's a test drive of the Jaguar. There's the automatic locks clicking. It's a beautiful fall day here in Colorado. Actually supposed to be up to 80 degrees today. Pop the sunroof, everything is working fine there. Go on a quick tour of our neighborhood. Everything's working well on this car. The AC blows cold, the heated seats work great. Leather shows very, very well. So far, suspension, I put new Bilstein heavy duty struts and shocks on it and made no difference to the ride. So whoever wants the old shocks and struts back from this, they're more than welcome to have them, because apparently they were absolutely perfect. Cruise control is probably one of the best cruise controls I've ever used. All you have to do is push down on that button or push up and it'll set the cruise control and you're on your way. Then you either hit cancel or resume. No extra buttons to push. Everything else is great. Transmission shifts as it's supposed to, including that sport button that we have down there. I do have it engaged in sport right now, and the shifts are more crisp. You actually have downhill braking when you're off the accelerator and coming down a hill, which we do have several of those here in Colorado. And the handling is superb. The weight balance is wonderful. Those Continental tires are not loud by any means. I understand they work great in the winter time, although the car's never seen snow to my knowledge. I've never driven it in snow. We had a Land Rover to do that, a little county. Anyhow, I can't say anything other than there's no weird rattles, noises. It's a solid car. All of the interior lights were switched out to LEDs. So even the ones underneath for the foot wells, when people ride in this car, they actually can't believe it's a 2006. Everybody swears I bought a new Jaguar, and some even are skeptical that Jaguar even made a wagon. It's very rare to see these in the wild. My ownership of the car started in 2018, where I took over from my grandfather. He was a stickler to get value of the car, and basically made the dealer put it to the auction so everybody would have fair bid at it. And my friend over at his store bought it on my behalf. I guess my grandfather wanted to get the trade tax difference value back in it, so that's why he traded it in. Anyway, one family has owned this car since it was new. It's always been a Colorado car. There's absolutely no rust on it. Thing runs and drives very well. No pulls. The steering doesn't pull left or right. Everything runs fine. Obviously the low fuel warning light even works. I've never seen that before. I'm running the tank out to get out the 2-month-old gas for the next owner. And yeah, all the heat and air conditioning controls work well. The radio is the Alpine with the subwoofer in the back. Works wonders. You can set the subwoofer level if you want. Gets that great bass response. I love the fact that this was equipped without that ridiculously bad Jaguar infotainment system that had the navigation that you basically need to be an engineer to figure out. Anyway, there you have the 2006 Jaguar Estate wagon. Thanks.